Good morning. This is YJ Abhisheka, and today I'm going to be asking a few questions to the creators and a few members of the WAVE. What is the main initiative of WAVE?
WAVE is a team which we have made to help the poor and the destitute people who are suffering. And Otto Raja, he is Home of Hope, who has formed the Home of Hope. We're trying to help them, and we're actually collecting everything and actually giving it to them.
So this is the organization called WAVE, and the main motto is WAVE, you can make a difference. So actually the main plan was to make people in a different way. Now they're suffering from many diseases, tsunami, etc. To help them in any way, like food, Koreans, as soon as our uniforms are changed in RAN and the old uniforms can be used, so it will be a large scale. So this is my idea of Prajwal, my friend, and that's all.
Actually, we are planning to give workshop in other schools like Banaghatta, Ryan International School, Banaghatta. We have given it in our school also, and Kunanhalli. So as we get more and more of response, so we can keep on donating it to the Pondicherry school and T. Raja's Home of Hope. So like this, we can make a difference.
We mainly aim to help the people who are forgotten on the busy streets of our country and Bangalore especially. So I think we'll mainly help T. Raja, the Home of Hope, who made the Home of Hope, and we'll mainly help him first just to make a beginning and then go on with more charity trusts. So I think our main aim is to initiate individual participation. As our motto says, you can make a difference.
We basically hope to collect, when we talk to Otto Raja on the basic necessities that they need, it was actually sad to hear that they need the things that we buy every day in the grocery stores, like basic provisions. So we aim on collecting provisions and clothes and also money, but right now not money, basic necessities, then we'll move on to money.
Hi, I'm YJ Tiara, and I'm here with the creators of the WAVE organization, Satvik and Prajwal. What gave you the idea of making this organization?
Me, actually, when I saw these people, T. Raja came before 2 years in Yelahanka, and I saw them, and after that I thought, why are they like this? And we got many of the opportunities, and we are living a luxury life and they don't have anything. So I thought we could help them in some or the other way.
And how did you get the idea?
I actually had few old clothes, like the old uniforms. I thought of donating it to the organization. So I thought, why couldn't it be done in a large scale? Like the uniform is changed, so everyone can donate it. So I came up with the idea and told my friend Raga. We both planned out to WAVE.
He was a normal auto driver in the Bangalore city. He was really touched and he felt really sad for the people left for nothing on the streets of Bangalore. So he took them into their own homes, and half of them were deceased. So he treated them based on the education that he had, and a lot of people in the workshop, they have seen the people were infected by maggots in their body parts, which is really sad to see. He gives them a life, he takes care of them up till their death, and we hope to help him and join hands with him and help him for this cause.
What are the main changes that WAVE would like to make in the future for our society?
I think first of all we would like to lesser the number of destitutes and the poor and needy that we see on the road. I think they all need the basic necessities like shelter, food, what they don't usually get. So I think that is what WAVE aims for, and I think giving them proper cure for what and all they have lost and giving them a reason to live and die with dignity. And I think Auto Raja is doing a great job, and we are initiating it with his help first, and then we'd like to move on to others.
First of all, we are going to different schools, telling them what actually WAVE is doing, getting up many volunteers so that they can help us. We're actually, right now we are planning for going to Pondicherry to help the people who have been affected by tsunamis. The basic things they need is the books and the stationery which they lack. So, we are trying to implement all the things as fast as possible.
What experience does the WAVE organization give to the students of Ryan?
As you know, that this WAVE organization has been initiated by the Ryan's children to become a part of mediator to give to those people who have nots of the society. Now, this organization, if you know, the children themselves came forward of taking a step ahead of initiating this step to go and reach out to those all those who are less fortunate in the society. Now, this experience of introducing or becoming part of WAVE organization is one of the vision which Chairman Sir has, that every child, every Ryanite should be a sensitive person, a person who shares, who goes out, who reaches out to those who are less fortunate, unfortunate in the society. I think this experience of introducing and making children be part of this organization will be lines of action for us to fulfill the vision of our Chairman, sir. There is a foundation in charity to be done in and through the Ryanites.
What is this organization? How does it help in the development of a child's character?
A child who in touch with the organization or the principles or the objective of the organization, a child will learn to appreciate the condition that child lives in. He will learn how to use his resources what he has. He will learn to respect his parents. He will learn whatever limited resources he has, how to use them, take care of them. He will also learn to save and to share. He will learn how he can reach out with all the limited resources he has. If he has some extra books, if he has some extra clothes, okay, if he has some extra shoes, or whatever little resources he has, which are of the best of ability, of best quality, he can share that to children, all those who are in less fortunate, especially reaching out in Pondicherry of the elders in New Ark Mission, okay, and the organization which are in their vicinity. Okay, he will learn to share, he will learn to appreciate.
So what advice do you want to give to these Ryanites?
I want to give the advice to all the Ryanites that appreciate, thank God for all they have, and become sensitive towards those people who do not have. And if you have extra, learn to share. Be responsible, because it is from you are going to begin the charity, because charity begins at home.
You were not only the ex-Ryanite but also the ex-president of our school. So as you know that today we had a WAVE organization, they did a presentation. So what do you think, how do you think it'll help?
Okay, see, one thing is I'm really glad to hear about the WAVE organization, because it's really great that students are actually initiating such a venture. It's not easy for a bunch of students to pull off such a foundation, but they're doing a great job, I think, and I think it's a good thing that our Ryan students have done that. It's a great opportunity for all the students, I'll say, that they can contribute and pay back their debt to society. It's a great thing to be part of social service, and I'm sure all the Ryanites, they're really interested about this.
The WAVE they are doing a pretty good work. They are helping the needy people, those who need help. All these people, they don't have any hope in their life to live for, and these people are actually giving them a ray of light, a motive for them to live. So they are, according to me, they are doing a very good work. It's very good, and I'll do my part, as I have promised inside. I'll do my part. I'll help them in doing their work.
Do you think the
Wave organization will bring changes in our society and why?
Oh yes, for sure. Wave organization is started by the very own Ryan students, and it will surely make a big difference in the society and our whole life actually. Because the Wave organization is started by the students, the youngsters, the youth of this generation. And as far as I know, all the people, they do listen to the youth more than the big people. As have you seen in the politics? As people say that they don't listen much to the elders because they think they're all like, they have different views about their things, and the youth have a different opinion. Everyone listens to them as they are the younger generation. They have much better ideas, and yeah, I do think it can make a very big difference in the society.